Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In our previous class, we have been discussed about the contraceptive devices, that means contraceptive methods. So, four different types of contraceptive methods it was there. One was natural, another one is mechanical, third is chemical, and fourth was thermal. Among that, two contraceptive method we have been discussed. So, first one is the natural method. So, in that it contains the rhythmic method, coitus interruption method, and lactation amniorin. And second, we have been discussed the mechanical method. So, in that it contains the condoms, diaphragm, and IUD. So in IUD it was three types: non-mediated IUD, copper releasing IUD, and hormone releasing IUD. So three types of IUD, which was one of the most important question for your exam, as I said you. So and even the condom is also one of the important question for your exam in mechanical device. So today let us discuss the third type, that is nothing but chemical contraceptive. So this is the third contraceptive device. They are a method which is adopted by the many of the couples in order to avoid the conception or pregnancy. So let us discuss about this method. So first one, what is the meaning of chemical contraceptive means that it is a method followed to avoid the conception or pregnancy by using a chemicals, whereas in case of natural method, so we have been used in a natural method. We didn't use any device or chemicals to avoid the pregnancy in a natural method. Natural itself by the calendar method or by coitus interruption method or by lactation method, so we have been avoided the pregnancy here. So whereas in case of mechanical, so we have used the devices we have been used here. So one it was the condom, which will be used by the male and even for the female. Other one is the diaphragm, cervical caps, and the third one is the valves. So these are all of the devices which is used by the female. And another third type it was present, IUD here, so which is used by the female, and it will be inserted into the uterus for a long period of term, and this is inserted with the help of the gynecologist only. And after that short period, after the time after the period, so again they will get eliminated from their body and they can go further conceiveness or pregnancy. So in the same manner, so in chemical also method, in chemical contraceptive method, we are avoiding the pregnancy by using a which things means by using a chemicals. By consumption of these chemicals, we are avoiding the pregnancy. So that's why prevention of conception by using the chemicals is called as chemical contraceptive method. So then what the chemical contraceptive method. So conception means what? Conception means pregnancy. We are avoiding the pregnancy by which method means by applying the chemicals. So that's why the name also we are given it as a chemical contraception we are called. So it also further divided into the three types here. So let us discuss one by one. So first is the oral pills, or even we are calling it as a hormonal method. So what we are calling first one in this chemical is oral pills or hormonal method. So in this method, so hormonal tablets are taken orally in the form of a pills. So in this method what we are doing means, so we are using the pills. We are using the oral pills, like how we are getting the tablets in the shop for different to cure the diseases. In the same manner, so from the shop we will get the tablets, and that tablets what it contains means it contains the hormone. With the influence of that hormone, so we are avoiding the pregnancy, we are avoiding the ovulation, and even we are avoiding the implantation. So through this oral pill or hormonal method. So that's why in this method what it contains means tablets, it contains the hormone, because the menstrual cycle it will be take place in the female body due to influence of the hormone only. So that's why what we are doing, artificially prepared hormones are injected in this oral pills. In this what it means oral pills. Oral pills means orally we are taking into our body. We are engulfing these pills into our body with the help of the water. So that's why we are calling it as a oral pills here. So in this method what it contains means the tablets it contains the hormone, and they are taken orally in the form of a pills. In the form of a pills. So the tablets it will comes, the tablets it will be engulfed by the female by using the water. That's why we are call it as a orally. It is not injected in the form of a injection or other concept here. Directly it will be engulfed by the female. So that's why the name also we are given it as a oral pills. Orally it will be taken, and that pills what it contains means it contains the hormone. Now the oral pills are regularly taken by the women for a period of 21 days. So you know very well here. So in a menstrual cycle, so one menstrual cycle in the female body it will take 28 days. menstrual cycle of the female. So it will take place how many days here means 28 days one menstrual cycle it will be days. It will take here. As soon as 28 days finish, again the new cycle menstrual cycle it will get start. So that's why we will get monthly once the menstrual cycle will get. Now these tablets, how it will take him is it will take 21 days of every month here. That means so 7 days. So 5 days in 28 days of the menstrual cycle, 5 days will be the bleeding phase. 5 days will be the bleeding phase. In that bleeding phase, in the female body, the bleeding it will be take place. So that's why we are going to say bleeding phase here. So remaining after that 2 days, leaving the 2 days. So every day of her month, she has to take this tablet. So that's why how many days it will come here? 21 days. So this is the 28 days. In this 28 days, if we remove the 7 means how much will get here? 21 days we will get. So I'll understand. So what means menstrual cycle if they want to take place means menstrual cycle it will take as a 28 days. Keep remember this one menstrual cycle if they want to take place means how many days it will take? 28 days one menstrual cycle it will take. In the 28 days we will remove the 7 days. In 5 days the bleeding phase it will take place here, remaining leaving the another 2 days. So the female she has to take the tablet. So 7 days if we will remove means how much we will get here? 21 days we will get. So in her every month 21 days the female she has to take regularly without leaving here, she has to take the tablets. In order to she has to avoid the conception. So that is from 5th day to 25th day of the menstrual cycle, or else you can write like this also. So from 5th day, that means here 5th day 5 days bleeding will be present here. Next from 6th day up to 25th day of her menstrual cycle, so what happens means she has to take the what here means these tablets here. Suppose assume that here today one female today is the 5th day of her bleeding phase here. That means here from next day, from tomorrow she has to start this consumption of this tablets here, and she has to take regularly till the next bleeding phase it will get a start for her. Next periodic cycle it will start here. Till that she has to take the tablets. So that in that manner this oral pills it will be taken by the women. It is this process it will take place with the help of the women. It is not consumed by the male, it is consumed by the female. So female she has to regularly every month, not 1 month or 2 months here, till how many years she doesn't want her young ones means up to that much here she regularly every month she has to take the tablet. Suppose the female she doesn't want her a child for 2 years means 2 years also she has to take this tablets. As she doesn't want for 3 years means 3 years also she has to take this tablets regularly. In every month so 21 days she has to take this tablets regularly. So this is the pattern of this oral pill here. So that what this tablets what it contains the hormones. So that it is this tablet it will be taken in the form of a orally. So how many days she has to take here? 21 days of every month. So up to how many years she has planned it for not to get the baby means up to till that date she has to take that tablet. So that's why they are telling the pills can't she has to take here. And in that pill what it contains means that pills it contains the hormone. Which type of hormones it contains means synthetic hormones like progesterone and estrogen. So in that pills it contains the hormone as I said here. So pills what it contains, just now I said here, pills it contains the hormone. Which type of hormones it contains? It contains the progesterone and estrogen. Keep remember this one. So it is important for your NEET and even for your exam also. 1 mark question they may be asked in your exam. So oral pills contains which type of hormones? Means progesterone and estrogen. So which are the artificially synthesized. This progesterone and the estrogen hormone it is artificially synthesized and it will be put in the form of a pills, and regularly the female she has to consume this hormone, these tablets here. And due to influence of this hormone inside the female body, ovulation and implantation it will be taken place. So ovulation means you know very well here. So releasing of the egg. Due to influence of this hormone inside the female body, egg will be not released from the ovary. So if egg it will not be released means automatically if they go for the intercourse also fertilization it will not take place and the female she will not go for her conceiveness. So understand. So what is the speciality of the oral pills means oral pills it contains the hormone. Which type of hormones it contains? It contains the progesterone and estrogen hormone. So how many days she has to take here means regularly she has to take every month 21 days she has to take here. Why 21 days means because 5 days it will be the bleeding phase in her body. So leaving the 2 days after that 7 days totally, remaining all the days she has to take the tablets regularly without fail. So if she miss here means there is a chance of getting the conception. So that's why regularly she has to take this hormone. And what is the benefit, how they are going to, how these pills it will work here means, these pills it contains the progesterone and estrogen hormone. So these hormones what it will do means, it will act on the ovary and it will avoid the ovulation. It will not allow the these hormones, it will not allow to release the egg from into the fallopian tube. So what happen? So ovulation only, they will avoid the ovulation. It will inhibits the ovulation. Inhibits means it will stop the ovulation. It will not allow the egg to release into the fallopian tube. And even if by chance if it release also, after it will not allow for the implantation. If there is no implantation means, so further there is no pregnancy. So either it will avoid the ovulation. By chance if of ovulation it has taken place means, by further it will not allow for the implantation. So this all these things by it will inhibits by the FSH and the LH hormone from the pituitary gland. And even these hormones what it will do means, it will inhibit, it will not allow the release of the FSH and LH hormone in the from the pituitary gland, because these are the gonadotropin hormone. Which are the gonadotropin hormone? FSH and LH are the gonadotropin hormone. So these what progesterone and estrogen, it will avoid the secretion of the FSH and LH hormone. If FSH and LH hormone it will not be released means, automatically what happen means, so egg ovulation it will not be taken place, and even the implantation also it will not be taken place. In this manner, these two synthetic hormones, these are the synthetic hormone means artificially prepared by the human beings in the laboratory. So that hormones will be kept in the pills. So these hormones it will work in this condition. What is the function of this artificial synthetic hormone means, this progesterone and estrogen hormone, first of all it will inhibit the ovulation and inhibits the implantation. And next, even what it will do means, it will inhibit the secretion of FSH and LH hormone. So this is the function of what it means, progesterone and estrogen hormone. Not only this, even another one function is there. Even what they'll do means, they'll act on the, so what they will also alter the quality of the cervical mucus to prevent the entry of the sperm. So as I said you here, so this is the female reproductive system, this is the uterus. So in this uterus, here it contains the cervix. So which is the cervix? This portion we are calling it as a cervix, and this is the vagina. This is the vagina and this is the cervix. So this cervix it will release us the mucus, as I said in my third chapter. So cervix it will release us the mucus. And what is the speciality of that cervix mucus means, it will helps to take a smooth entry, it will help for the smooth entry of the sperm into the uterus. But what happens is, due to influence of this hormone, so it will changes, it will alter this mucus. So due to that one, the sperms they may get damaged, and due to that one, it will not allow for the conception or pregnancy. So in this manner, what happens is, this oral pills it will act on the female body and it will prevent the what is conception. So what is the benefit of this synthetic hormone means, these are the benefits. It will act on the body, and due to these things, hormones, it will prevent the pregnancy in the female body. So that's why another one function what it means, it will change the quality of the cervical mucus to enter the sperm. Hence during this period, sexual intercourse take place, conception do not occur. So due to that one, so what happens means, if they go for the sexual intercourse also, conception do not occur, that means pregnancy it will not occur. So examples for that these tablets are Mala-D, Mala-N. So these are the different types of tablets we'll get from the shop. And all these tablets what it contains means, it contains the chemicals called it as a progesterone and estrogen only. What is the function of this means, it will inhibit the ovulation, it will inhibit the implantation, and even it will inhibit the FSH and LH hormone secretion of these hormones in the pituitary gland. And along with that, even it will alter the quality of the cervical mucus to prevent the entry of the sperm. It will not allow the sperm to take entry. So these are the effects it will act on the female body. So due to that one, the female she will not go for her conceiveness or pregnancy. So these are the example. And how many days she has to take here means, every month regularly, for in 1 month 21 days she has to regularly take this tablets here. In 1 month 30 days it will comes here. That means here in her menstrual cycle 28 days it will comes here. In that 28 days, 21 days she has to regularly take this tablets without forget. If she plan to avoid the children for 1 month, for 6 months means 6 months she has to take. 1 year means 1 year years she has to take? 2 years means 2 years, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many years she has put the plan? So till that much years she has to regularly she has to take this tablets here. Next, these are the tablets we'll get from the shop. Maladi, Malayan tablets, all these things here. But new advanced tablets it is present. New advanced tablets it has came nowadays here. That is we are calling it as a Saheli. This is the new advanced tablets. So what here means advanced tablets it has been came here. So we are calling it as a Saheli. So which contains the non-steroidal preparation and it will be taken once in a week. So the Maladi, Malayan, all these things it will be taken monthly, 21 days it will be taken. So but these tablets it will take only once in a week here. That means here in 1 month how many weeks it will comes? 4 weeks. That means in 1 month the female she has to take the 4 tablets, and compared to these tablets Maladi, Malayan, so it is less it will show a very less few side effects and high contraceptive rate here. That means here by taking these oral tablets, so we are getting a lot of side effects here. Which are the side effects means as due to the entry of this artificial progesterone hormone, estrogen hormones, as I said you, it will avoid inhibits the ovulation. Due to continuous usage of this hormone, automatically in the female body ovulation process only it will get stop, it will get completely it will get inhibit. Further if that female she will want her conceiveness means if she want to go for give birth, if she want to become a pregnant means, so further in her body menstrual cycle it will not get taken place here, because due to influence of this hormone directly it will influence on the ovaries and permanently it will stop the ovulation. So due to that one such type of couples further they may not get any child. This is the very big side effects we'll get from this what here means taking of this oral pills here. But many of them they doesn't know this concept here, so directly they'll be go on taking this tablets in order to avoid the pregnancy for a short period of time. But using these tablets continuously, what happens means further it may not bring the pregnancy in their body. That's couples they'll becomes infertile in their lifetime. So that's why taking of these tablets, oral tablets, it is very dangerous, and even it will changes the it will bring a hormonal imbalance in our body, and varieties of problems it will be appears in the female body. So lot of side effects will get from this oral pills. Why? Because means artificially we are introducing the hormones. These hormones they will be gone acting on the female body, and further it will makes the female in a infertile in condition. So taking of this oral pills it is very dangerous, it is very risky. So we should not consume this oral tablets here. Many of them they will consume because they doesn't know the knowledge about this tablets. Taking of these tablets it is most dangerous. This keep remember in your keep remember this one. So taking of oral pills it is most dangerous. It is also one of the contraceptive method. By applying this method it will brings a lot of problem in the female body, because it will not affect for the male but it will affect for the female, because this tablets it will be consumed by the female not by the male. So next latest another one as I said here modern tablets it has been came, that is Saheli. Instead of taking daily tablets, this it will takes in a once in a week. By using this it will give a very few side effects compared to these tablets Maladi and Malayan. So they are telling that so they will from this they will get the very few side effects. But this tablets also it contains the what is non-steroidal preparation, but this also tablets it contains the hormone which will alters the menstrual cycle in the female body. Once in the female body menstrual cycle it will get act, means further that female she is unable to give birth to the young ones. If they need the child also, further they will not get the child. So that's why using this oral pills it is very dangerous in the future time. So we should avoid using this type of contraceptive method. Chemical type of contraceptive method is using it is very dangerous. Next this is one of the method is over. That means by taking the oral pills. So here contraception is avoided by consumption of the oral pills. Even in your textbook they have been given 7 days, they have been given 5th to 7 days. That means here 7 days after a gap of 7 days. So that means how many days it will come? 21 days it will remains here. So they had to use, and Saheli is one of the new modern tablets it has came here, which will be taken once in a week, which has been given in your textbook also. Next is nothing but a second type of method, chemical method is injection and implant. implants here. So they here, so that doesn't contains the tablets, it contains the injection. The hormones will be given into the female body in the form of a injection or implants here. So let us discuss this is. It is also a type of a hormonal method. It also what it contains, this type is also contains the hormones, and like how the hormones are present in the form of a oral pills. Hormones we inject are kept in the form of a pills manner. So here the hormones are kept in the form of a injection manner or implants manner. So these are injection or implants, what it contains means it contains the progesterone hormone. Which hormone it contains here? It contains the progesterone hormone. What it contains means it contains the progesterone hormone. This injection or implants, what it contains means it contains the hormones. Which hormone means progesterone hormones it contains. It is similar to progesterone. What it contains here? It is similar to progesterone, or what here means estrogen. Like how in the oral pills it contains the progesterone and the estrogen, in the same manner it also it contains the progesterone, similar to progesterone. That means what it means, progesterone means here, progesterone means it contains the progesterone and estrogen hormones. See, so both together, progesterone and estrogen together, we are calling it as a what it means, we are calling it as a estrogen. That is, or else another one name progesterone, similar to progesterone, which contains the progesterone hormone and estrogen hormone, like how in the tablets, in the oral tablets it is present, and this is injected into the women bloodstream. So these injections it will be given in the female in the form of a injection. So before in first case we are taken the tablets in the form of a orally, like normally for the fever all these things how you will take the tablets by consumption of the water. In the same manner that tablets it will be consumed. So that's a orally consumption, as I said you here, oral pills we are calling. But this hormones it will be injected into the female body, in which pattern is in the bloodstream. So by giving the injection here, or else subcutaneously, while in the implants it take place under the skin, it will be injected in the form of a injection. Injection means it will be given in the bloodstream here, or else here if implants are there means in implants this it will be given to the female under the skin. So under the what I means under the skin, so where the skin will be present, so on this skin, under the skin, so where they will be given. So example for this is, which is the example diagram also they have been given in your textbook, which is the diagram. See, this is the diagrams, implants we are calling. So this implants what it contains means it contains the estrogen and progesterone hormone it contains, so which will be given under the skin of the female. So whereas oral pills are directly it will be taken by the female. So that's why implant it will be given placed under the skin. Example is Implanon. So this is one type of implant. Implanon is one type of implant, is a hormonal implant. The size of this it will be less like a matchstick here. Matchbox we have seen, in that matchbox the matchstick it will be present. So that size of this implants it will be present. What is the size here means just it will be like a matchstick size it will be present, which is inserted under the skin at the inner side of the upper arm. So where they will be injected means it will be injected under the skin of the female, below the inside the skin it will be injected. And which part of the skin it will be means upper arm here. So inner side of the upper arm, where it will be injected means inner side of the upper arm. So upper arm it will present, no? So in that upper arm, so the under the skin these implants will be given. What is the implant name here means Implanon is the name of this implant. It contains the synthetic hormones and prevents the ovulation and thickness. Same effect it will be false here, like how in oral pills it will affect the ovulation. In the same manner these hormones will also affect the ovulation. So that's why using the chemical method to avoid the contraceptive it is very dangerous, because in which pattern if we take this method, if we adopt this method also, so what is the function means it will avoid the ovulation. Once in the female body ovulation avoided means egg will not be released means for the such female she is unable to give birth to the young one, because continuously using of these hormones completely it will act on the ovaries and permanently it will stop the ovulation. Further, if such couples if they want their young ones also, how much they they try also, they will not get the young ones here, because egg will be not released due to influence of this hormone, and as such female she will become a infertile in her lifetime. So that's why it contains this hormone, prevents the ovulation and thickness the mucus in the cervix and prevent the sperm entry. Just now as I said here, this is the uterus means, so in the uterus the cervix it will be present. This is the cervix it will present. So this cervix it will make a thick in condition. So that is the influence of this hormone means this cervix it will make in a thickness. So and so due to that one, so what happen means the sperm is unable to take entry into this what happen into the uterus. If the sperm are unable to take entry, how much they'll go for the intercourse also, the sperm will not take entry. If the sperm will not take entry means 100% that female she is unable to become the pregnant. So like that what happen here means they can avoid by using the pregnancy by using this method. So injection is this another one pattern, implant is also another pattern. By using the injection, like how you are taking the normal injection, in the same manner the hormones are injected into the injection and that it will be given in the bloodstream. Other one is the implant here. So implants example for is that nothing but a implanone, so which is the size of the matchsticks here, angada matchstick, angada kalya. So what that is here, that size will be that much. So and that it will be given to the female only. So where they will be given means under the skin, so upon the inner side of the upper arm they will be given. So this also it contains the hormones, and that hormones it will act on the ovulation. It will avoid the release of the egg in the female body. Egg will be not released means 100% there is no chance of getting the pregnancy. And even what they'll do means they will make the thick mucus in a thickness in the cervix, in the cervix region they make this mucus will be released. Mucus it will be in a semi-liquid form it will be present. So it will helps to easy penetration of the sperm, but they will alter that mucus only. So mucus it will becomes a thick in condition. So due to that one the sperm is unable to take entry into the uterus. So like that they will avoid the pregnancy. So due to influence of this portion it will be remains as it is, and egg will not be released. Further they are unable to go for the pregnancy. This is the second type is finish here. Next third type, another one is there. Third type is the what MS. Third type is vaginal spermicide. So this is also another type of chemical here, vaginal spermicide. So that means here different type of chemicals are used in order to kill the sperms. So that means here, so they are the different type of chemicals will come which will be applied by the female, where means on the vagina portion. So in the vagina portion the chemicals will becomes that chemical during the time of the intercourse. The female she has to apply these chemicals on her vagina portion, and she can go for the intercourse. And what is the specialty of these chemicals means they will kill the sperm during the intercourse here. So different type of sperm killing chemicals in the form it will appears in the form of a foams. So that spermicides it will comes in which pattern means it will comes in the form of a foams. Foams means what? Foams means cuff. Foams means what here? Cuff. In Kannada they will tell nore. So cuff, like how if you put the soap or the Nirma powder in the water means just if you shake like this means automatically you will get a large number of foams that will be appear in the same manner. So this spermicides will get in different pattern. It may comes in the form of a foams, and that foams the female she has to apply on the vagina during the time of a sexual intercourse, or else it may comes in the form of a creams, or else it may comes in the form of a jellies. So in the different pattern it will be introduced into the vagina before the intercourse here, and these chemicals prevents the conception by killing the sperm stem and the ejaculated semen. But this is not one of the reliable method. So what by using this method we will not get the 100% result. So we will get all these things from the shop here. Applying this, for female she can avoid the pregnancy, but we can't tell that 100% will get the successful result will get, because here so there these chemicals are these creams or jellies or foams which have been applied here, it may kill the sperm cell, it may kill or it may not kill here. So many of the sperm they can take a escape from that and they may take entry, and the fertilization it may be taken place. So this is not one of the reliable method. So like that in chemical method we are seeing the different here vaginal spermicides. So it will be used by the female during the time of what is intercourse here. Even next what is injection is also used by the female. So it will be given here, but this is also this, and even the oral pills also one of the 100% result it will get here. But when we from this method applying by using this method in the female body lot of side effects will get here. Among that one of the big side effect is nothing but it will makes the female in a fertile in condition. So if continuously if she go on using these chemicals or hormones in her body means, so these hormones finally permanently they will avoid the ovulation in the female body, so that such female she is unable to become the continuous. Repeatedly I am telling this one. So using this chemical contraceptive method, it is one of the dangerous method for the female. So this is the third type, is the finished chemical method. Next fourth type it is there, that is the permanent method or sterilization method. So this method we'll discuss in our next class.